I'll put that in the video, whatever.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, a week, a month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. When the road starts to pour, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before. I'll be there for you. So there for you too.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Don, and welcome to today's video. Today is the last game of the series against Nashville. So as you guys saw yesterday, I got 6 baseballs, including my 100th lifetime. So right now, my season total is 79, and we hope to hit 100, and hopefully this homestand if we can. So I'm just waiting outside right now. There will be no BP, so that sucks, but hopefully we can still get something today. So let's go try and do that. So I did just get in the stadium. There was no batting practice taken by the Nashville Sounds, and when I got in here, they also got done warming up. So there's balls scattered around the area, including one that is just, if I can reach over, right there, right out of my reach. So we'll find a scenario to get at this, and we'll be good. There's 2, 3 all in this section. Workers all the way out there. This is gonna be a tricky scenario. Alrighty, so the streak continues. Just got number 80 tossed up, and now I'm gonna go find a kid to give this to. So yeah, we got number 80 on the season. Let's go.
Herrera, the pitcher, and the Sounds of minute by Jason Wood.
With Megan. No, with Megan. You can sit back there.
All right. I'm seeing nothing but
So the line of the shield is just with deep. 1-0 Nashville in the first inning.
Get through.
That's okay. This reminds me.
there you go.
6-4-3 right here.
6-4-3 double play. See ya. We're so close.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
No. Nice. That's gone. Please get it.
He got it. It's a double dinger for Alex DeJoty.
Alex DeJoty going deep.
The kid with the Pittsburgh.
Ding us all day, baby!
Yes. Yes. Let's go. Here we go. AJ Reed was just ejected.
special night. He did it just for us. Very slowly.
Can't start, so just
Oh!
Jack Mayfield going deep. Mini Jack Mayfield, what do you got to think about that? He just hit a dinger once again, yeah. He can take that back, going deep ball. Yeah, you already know he's Jack Mayfield. Yeah. Back to back dingers.
let's go! 2 in a row, man!
Kyle Tucker, 2 pitches in a row. Same play.
Woo! Yeah, boy!
Oppo, Taco.
Yeah, boy! Yeah, I think they should go there.
Now that they're hitting him there, wouldn't be such a bad idea. No, he's just walking up to one of them. Go long! Go long! Thank you! Alright, so the toss-up that I got in that video was number 81 on the season. So, 2 on the day. Pretty good for the last game of the series. So the game's now going into the 9th inning. The Express are up 5-2. We are now 3 outs away from winning this game, so hopefully we can hang on and win this time. No, it's fine. Oh my God! 1, 2.
I was just popping off. And they stayed mad at me for a week. Hey, you didn't do that. That's a little short.
Yeah, we're going to extra innings. Great. Well, we're going into extra innings. I think we're going to stay at least for one more inning if it does keep on going. Who knows? We should not go into extra innings in this game. All these empty rows. Holy cow. That's gonna be popped up. Oh, come on. Oh, Jordan, run! Nashville just took the lead. It's 6-5. That's a foul ball. Thank you. So we're going into the bottom of the 11th. I was able to get my third ball of the game, a toss up by Alex and Jody. That was a deep one too. So the Nashville Sounds are 3 outs away from winning this thing. So hopefully we can come back here. Oh my gosh, why didn't you run?
Get down. Get
That's
down.
scoring.
Go. Top ball game.
We're tied. Let's go. Let's go. Ah. Guess what? We're going into 12 innings.
Leading off for Nashville, designated hitter number 11, Eli White.
Jamie Ritchie is on the mound, the position player. I think this is something that's gonna make this video very good content. But no, check out this guy's windup and think about just every MLB The Show, Road to the Show character you've made as a pitcher that started with the generic one windup. Watch this. Oh my gosh, he trapped it. He trapped it. Come home with it. Oh. And the score is 7-6. There, ball game over. Jeez, I'm not even gonna say anything about it. I got 3 balls on the day. That's 82 on the season. That's it. Goodbye, everybody. See you later.